Good evening and welcome to the Oliveboard platform. My name is Marut Sharma, your logical reasoning expert, and we are here today to discuss the SSC CGL Tier 1 mock which was conducted over the weekend. Okay. So we'll start with it right away without any further ado. Interesting set of questions this time, right? And if you have any doubts anywhere while I'm explaining the solution, you can ask me. I'll get back to that. Right, keep putting it in the chat box. Whatever issues you have, keep communicating as much as you can so that we can make it as interactive as possible. Right, these sessions, I want these to be useful to you and not just solution discussion sessions. Okay, and initially, yes, always you know what I begin with. So do share this video across platforms wherever you are a part of, and do hit the like button right away if you're liking the content which we're bringing for you. Leave a comment after the video ends specifically as a feedback so that we understand where we are going right and where we need to put in more efforts as a team and as single-handedly also. And yes, that's it. And do subscribe to the Oliveboard channel if you're new here. Let's start. Anytime today, the notification can be announced. We are expecting the notifications to be out here. So this becomes a crucial and valuable time to practice SSC CGL mocks. Now this is the very first question, interesting level of questions I saw here today. So in the very first question, it is a repeated series only, but with numbers. Now a lot of us will take a while to understand what exactly is the pattern, but it is simply a repeat pattern of a few numbers. That's it. So just treat the digits as letters. That's it. There is no other rocket science here. So 176-2-9-63. Okay, 76. 1-76-2. After that we have 1. So we have 2197-3. So 1-76-219. 1-76. So can this be 7? 63, 219763. So 219763, 219763, 219763, 219762. And what is the repeat pattern? Now what is the answer here? 93172, 93172, 9396, 9396. Option D is the right answer. 197632, 197632, 197632, 197632. So it's a repeat pattern of 6 letters, 6 numbers or 6 digits rather I would say, 4 times. So there are 24 letter sets, digit sets. So option D is the correct answer. Cool. Next. See, interesting again. I mean, see, it's not difficult. I would not call it difficult, but it's quite interesting. If you want some time, I can give you some time to solve it. Or just think about it, what exactly is happening here. So one thing you will quickly grab, what is that? That okay, this is minus 10, there's a difference of 10 here and a further difference of 10 here. But what about this number? You can take the difference from any of the numbers. If you take it from here, what do you get? You get 115 here and 115 here. Perfect. So I think that answers our question. What is the logic? It's 105 or 115? Wait. Yeah, sorry, not this one. This is 105. This one is what I'm talking about. So this is 10, this is 10, this is 10, this is 10, this is 115, this is 115. Okay. Now accordingly, we'll have to check what all options will satisfy. So this is 10, this is 10. Okay, this is 10, this is not 10, so this is gone. This is not 10, gone. Again, this is 10, this is 10. So we have to select between these two. And 115 if we subtract, no, this is not working out. So option A is also gone. So this one will be the correct answer, option D. Okay. Next. Again, interesting question. Just look at this one. So there are some changes which we need to make and then we will proceed to solve the question accordingly. भावेश, जब लाइव मॉक खत्म हो जाता है तो ऐप में wherever you had given the mock, you will be able to see the result there only. There will be a complete detailed analysis which you will be able to see along with the result. Okay. So go to the summary section in the app and you will be able to see that. That answers your question? Okay, now let's see this. Okay. Each vowel in the word jeopardy is changed to the following letter in English alphabetical order. So each vowel is changed to the following letter. That is, vowel is being increased by 1. And each consonant is changed to the preceding letter. So this is consonant minus 1. After doing this, how many letters are there in the English alphabetical order between second from the left and second from the right? So we can see second from the left and second from the right. No, let's do only this much. So this is vowel. Vowel plus 1 will become F and consonant minus 1 will become E. They are asking you how many letters are between them. I think none. Oh, sorry. What am I doing? This is C. My bad. So this is 6 and this is 3. You subtract them and you subtract 1. So your answer will be 2. Okay. Answer will be option B. Cool. Don't change the whole word right away. Just read what needs to be done and accordingly just figure it out. Next. If the letters of the word eclampsy are arranged in alphabetical order from left to right, which letters will not change their position? Or how many letters will not change their position? Yes, what about this one? Eclampsy. So I have always told you, proceed with place values. Proceed with place values. See here, if you want, you can write them down also. That makes it easier, or you can do it mentally also. But don't look at letters. Look at their place values. So which is, we start with 1. Next we have 3. Next we have 5. After that we'll have 12, 13, 16, 19, 25. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 5. That's it. So 5 letters, more than 4 will be the correct answer. Okay. Next. Very simple, very basic logic this one is. Good Amit, very good. Good job. Yes, the others can also participate, can start giving me answers in the chat box, not a problem. If you want, I can go slower so that you can treat this as a practice session only. Okay. Yes. Very common logic. Very common logic in SSC exams or anywhere you come across number series based questions. Okay. And immediately it will come to you just with the first 3 terms itself. This is plus 1 multiply by 2 plus 3. Next one will be multiply by 4. Okay. So 107 into 4. So this is 400 plus 28. 428. Option D is the correct answer. Right? Next. See, a lot of number based questions, because that is what makes a set difficult. Number based questions with challenging logics is what makes the set difficult, because it takes a bit of time to figure out the logic. Good, very good Amit. Good job. Okay, now out here 13, 10 and 30, 18, 6 and 72. See, 13 and 10, if we subtract them, we get 3 and we multiply this with a very 10 in between, you will get 30. Try it out here. 18 minus 6 is 12. You multiply this with a very 6 in between, which is 72. Applying the same logic here, 19 minus 5, 14 into 5 is not 60. 21 minus 19 is 2. 2 into 19 is 38. That's it. It's that simple. Okay, so option B is the correct answer. Next. Again number based, but this is classification. You have to find the odd one out. And it's clearly mentioned you have to look at them as numbers, not as digits. Get out the habit of looking at them as digits. Totally. Yes, very good, Amit. This is a very interesting question, a very good question. I would wait here for a while so that you can try this and give me an answer. So, if you observe carefully, just subtract these two numbers. Okay, subtract first and third number. What do you get? You get 64 here. Subtract these two numbers again. So, you will get 196. Subtract these two numbers. So, you will get 54. Are you getting what is happening? Can you connect? The moment you subtract the first and the third number, you're getting double of the middle number. So, you're just dividing this by 2 to get the middle number, that is 32. Divide this by 2 to get the middle number 98. Divide this by 2 to get the middle number 27. But here this is not true. This is not valid in option D. So, option D will be my correct answer or the odd one out. So, difference of the first and third number is double of the middle number. Okay. Wow, good question again. Again, it's classification based only. There is a group given to you. You need to classify 4 words in it and choose one odd one out from the options. So, ballet, rock, pop, techno, opera. Ballet, rock, pop, techno, opera. Some of us do take help from Hindi also, but even if you convert this into Hindi, the words will remain the same. Good, excellent, excellent, correct. Yes, Rahul, correct. Amit, yes, correct, sorry. Correct. Option B is the right answer here. Ballet is the correct answer. Why? Because rock, pop, techno and opera, they are all kinds of music. Ballet is a kind of a dance. Okay. Next. Observe the options. Observe the options. The options will give you O as the first letter already. So, don't even bother checking that. Don't even bother checking that. Check for the second letter immediately. So, what is happening here? Z and U. 26, 21, minus 5. 21, 16, minus 5. 16, 11, minus 5. So, 11 minus 5 is 6. That is, in the middle we will have F. So, we have O in the front, F in the middle. This is gone, this is gone. Now, about the numbers, what exactly is happening? So, for the numbers, if you see, this is multiply by 2 plus 1, multiply by 2 plus 2, multiply by 2 plus 3. So, the next one will be multiply by 4, multiply by 2 plus 4. So, 27 into 2 is 54, 54 plus 4 is 58. So, OF58, option D is the correct answer. Okay. Paper cutting and folding. Simple symmetry is going to give us our answers. Now, this heart, if you look at, just clearly observe the heart. Okay. If this heart will flip here and then will go downwards. Okay. This will not work out. So option 4 is gone. This will also not work out. Same direction. Gone. Okay. Now we have 2 and 3. Now check for the other thing. What exactly is happening? What is the difference? Look at the difference. It's clear here. There is no line here in the middle, whereas they are showing a line here throughout. So this is gone. It's that simple. So only hunt for what is different. Once you isolate two options and you see that majority of the elements are similar, only look for what is different and then confirm from the main figure and get your answer. So the answer is figure 2. Next. We don't need to spend any time here. Just look at what is happening. INV, VNI, WOL, LOW, CXE, EXC is there in the options. They are simply flipping. They're simply flipping directions. EXC. Okay. So option B is the correct answer. Good. Very good. Excellent. Next. Logical and meaningful order. The options are there in front of you. Just see. Very good. Very good. Seema, Amit, Rahul, good job guys. Keep giving me answers. Keep writing it in the chat box. Don't shy away from participating. The more you participate, the more it's, the better it's going to be. Now, either it will start with socks in the opposite direction from low to top, or it will start from cap. It's starting from socks at two places or cap at one place. Now with socks, the next one is cap here, useless. With socks, the next one is mask here, useless. Okay, so it has to start with cap only. So option 5 is the correct answer. So we'll just go through it once. Cap, mask, shirt, trouser, socks. From top to bottom it is going. So option C is the correct answer. Okay. See, either which way, either it will start from the least, that is ascending, or descending, whatever it is. So you'll have to accordingly figure it out. Embedded figures. Which of them is embedded? Can't seem to see any one specific one out of these two. Nope. Triangle with these two lines. Yeah, it's there. It is. We can see figure 4 clearly just by observation, nothing else. I think here it is. The others don't make sense. Okay. So option 4 is my correct answer, isn't it? Option A, figure 4 is the right answer. Next. We need to exchange the numbers and check which of the following equations will be correct. Exchange the numbers and find which of these equations will be correct. Mock लगाया है, very good Amit, शाबाश, बहुत ही अच्छी बात है, good job. Now we'll have to change 2 and 26. So if we change 26 and 2, this will not be divisible, right? Because it's 52. So this will not be correct. We can figure it out from here only. And 26 and 2, if it changes here, three, no, 8, I think 198 will also not be divisible by 26. So it's pretty easy. Even if we change it because of the division sign, we can conclude almost instantly that neither 1 nor 2 will be correct. Okay. Next. Good question. These questions are actually challenging sometimes. P is the brother-in-law of Z. For P to be the brother-in-law, P can surely not be a woman. So P cannot have a plus sign after it. This one is for sure. Others we are not sure of. Okay. So this is gone for sure. Don't have to check it. Now, P is the brother-in-law of Z. So P is wife's brother of Z. Do we have P minus Z directly anywhere? No. Okay, that goes. And they are all in the same direction only. Okay. So P less than equal to S means P is the father of S. S is the child of U. And U is the sister of Z. Sister of Z. P is the father of S. S is the child of U. And U is the sister of Z. P is the brother-in-law of Z. Yes, it's here only. Option A only I can see it in. Okay. Next. Some pink are red. All red are blue. No blue is green. Some red are green. Absolutely not. Some pink being green is a possibility. Some pink being green is a possibility. What do you think? See, some pink are not green is definitely true. But some pink being green is a possibility is absolutely right. Not a problem here. Some part of pink can go in green. Not an issue. Some pink are blue. Absolutely correct again. So I think both conclusions 2 and 3 follow should be the right answer. Next. Oh, another syllogism based question. All apple are mango. All apple are mango. No banana is lychee. All mango are banana. Some apples are lychee, not at all. All mangoes are not lychee. All mangoes are not lychee. Or all mangoes can never be lychee. Instead of or are not, you can also say are can never be. I think that's also pretty correct. Because mango is a part of banana and banana is restricted in lychee. Oh, some apples are lychee. What am I even doing? What am I even doing? Some apples are lychee. All mangoes are not lychee. So only 2 follows. Only conclusion 2 is true. Option A is the correct answer. Okay. Next. This much is sure, even after looking at the question immediately, that there is some sort of a movement pattern. It's just a jumbled coding, nothing else. Missive is like this. Hillock is like this. So what is the code for descent? So HIL. Okay, from here we'll get a better understanding. HILLOCK. So we will flip this, flip this, flip this. 3 2 2. 3 2 2. Again the same thing is happening there, right? So 3 2 2. So SIDES. SIDES. Option B is the correct answer. Okay. Next. Correct mirror image. Arey, what's wrong? Okay, so basically this is water image, not mirror image. This image is just stripping downwards. So this double line will still be here and this single line will be here. So option 1 is deleted. This is gone because this will be a double line like this and a single line like this. Okay. So this is completely vague. Completely vague. Oh my God, is that possible? Can that be that easy? Figure 2 is the right answer. Okay. You're just in good luck. Nilesh, yes, good. Good. What about this one? Your comments are coming with a delay to me, is it? Yes, they are, Nilesh. All your chat C, B, B, bhai chat bhi dekh lo, have come right now to me immediately. And your no also. Okay. Try this one now. If we see everything from 1 to 2, from 1 to 2 everything is the same, okay. Only this arrow has been turned 90 degree clockwise and we are adding another arrow here. The next, now from here to here everything is the same, just this is turned 90 degree anti-clockwise and we are adding another arrow here. So now technically, should this change? Or are we skipping 2 arrows in the middle? So we should skip 2 arrows and change this one. This time there will be a clockwise turn. So this should point downwards, which is not happening anyways. D, okay. Nilesh is saying D. Now I think we are only changing these arrows, the arrows which are in the sides. Okay. So technically now after changing these two, this arrow will change its position and this will go clockwise 90 degrees. So they'll add 2 arrows like this here. Rest everything will remain the same. Rest everything will remain the same. I think option 1 is the correct answer here. Because in this pattern there is a lot of movement. Okay. But if I take a gap of 2 arrows, let's say 1, 2 and this arrow, 1, 2 and this arrow if I move, so this is the one I should have moved. But this is not moving in D also, no? This is not moving anywhere. And they are not doubling the arrows in the rest of the options. So option A is the only correct possibility. Okay. Next, 21. Which 2 numbers should be interchanged to make the equation correct? नितेश जी, हिंदी का अलग चैनल है, वहां पे ठीक 5 बजे डिस्कस होगा यही मॉक, तो आप उसको अटेंड कर सकते हो. ठीक है, ये इंग्लिश का चैनल है तो इसे मेरी मजबूरी समझिए या जो भी है कि मुझे इंग्लिश में ही कम्युनिकेट करना होगा. आई एम सो सॉरी. ओके, आप जो है हिंदी वाले ऑलिव बोर्ड चैनल पे आ जाइएगा, 5 बजे दोबारा से यही मॉक पूरा डिटेल में डिस्कस करूंगा, राइट? चलो अब लेट्स ट्राई दिस वन. So whenever we need to check which two numbers need to be interchanged, we will always go for checking the anomaly. What exactly is going wrong? Alright, what exactly is the fallacy? What exactly is going wrong here? So if I divide, let's just solve it once. 69 divided by 15 is practically not possible. Okay, not to give us an integer answer. So either 69 or 15 have to change. Now 12 and 15 if I change, does not make sense. 3 and 12 if I make change, does not make sense. 15 and 3 I can change. That's the only thing I can change. 47 and 69 also if I change, does not make sense. I think this is pretty simple. If I change 15 and 3, only then with this division makes sense, right? And 15 will come here. I'm just playing a gamble. I'm not solving it. Yes, option C is right. Only by division sign here we could figure it out. Okay. If we want to solve it, we can still do that as well. 69 divided by 3 plus 12 divided by 2 into 15 minus 47. So this is 21 plus 6 into 15, 90 minus 47. So this is 111 minus 47, which is 66. Sorry, not 21. 69 divided by 3 here will be 23. That's why I was making an error. Yes. Next. Pattern completion. अच्छा, ओहो, अब लाइव नहीं होता है, वो कल लॉक हो जाता है. It locks on time, then you can't give it anymore. Anyways, no problem. Give some other mock or next week maybe. Now here, this pattern will have, this is common in these two figures. That's how it's going to look like, but not in this one. The others are all same. Okay, here the arrow, the line is not going till the corner, so this is deleted. Now these two, what is the difference? The only difference you will see in this is in this part, right? And if you see from here, it's quite in the middle, not somewhere on the top. So figure 2 is also rejected. Figure 4 will be the correct answer. Okay, figure 4 will be my correct answer. This is option T. Next, number of triangles in the given figure. Oh, this one is challenging. This one is going to be a good one. हाँ नितेश, सैटरडे संडे को होता है शायद. Okay, if we proceed about this from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 3, 3 plus 1 plus 1. Okay, and then we have this one. So we have 4 more. I am not taking the combos as of now. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 more. Now let's erase it completely. Okay, so we are done with the single triangles now. Now look at the combos. Combos means this one figure we did not count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we'll have 6 more. Now check. 3, 3, 2, 8, 8, 16, 6, 22, 22. Okay. 3, 6, 7, 8. 8 plus 8 is 22. What else? What else are we missing? I counted this. Okay. I counted this. All these triangles have already been counted. What else are we missing? Anybody who has done it? Rahul, you can give your preferences, but it depends. I mean, see, if that is your home city, it's going to make some difference. Once you are, if you get a very good rank, then you can choose. The choice is yours. Honestly, they tell you that getting your home city is easy, but that's not. That creates a problem. Otherwise, it's pretty easy. If you score a good rank, you won't face a problem. Three, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Why can't I find more then? Where am I lacking? Oh, yes. I think I forgot these triangles altogether. This I did not count. 1, 2, partial triangles. 3, 4. Very good question. Excellent question. 22 plus 4, 26. Because we did not have 22 in the options, is why I was trying to figure out the extra triangles, but 26. Good question. Very good question. Come to it in the end. In the examination, always come to this question in the end. Don't try to solve it right away. Because this one question is going to cost you a lot. Also, in terms of counting triangles, if you see your answer is exceeding 25 or 30, it might be tricky. They might have some, some hidden triangles which is going to make it difficult for you to solve. So rather skip it and go ahead. Okay. Okay, Rahul. Yes, A is written as H, C is written as O. So 3 is 15, 1 is 8. Does that make sense? 8 is 14. M is written as R, 13 is 18. 14, O is written as M, R is written as C. How will no march be written in the same code language? Okay, I don't think that should be a problem if they have given everything. N is written as A. O is written as M. So to start with AM, only option B is the right answer, is it? Okay. Strange. Simple substitution based coding, nothing else. If FM equal to 78, cab equal to 6, then how will you code beak? 3, 1, 2. 3 plus 1 plus 2. But this will not add up to 78. This is 6 and 13. Product. Okay, 6 into 13 is 78. 3 into 2 into 1 is 6. So beak. So 2, 5, 1, that is 10 into 11 is 110. Option B is the right answer. Okay, we are simply multiplying them. Cool. Right? Correct. Very good, Rahul. Excellent. So on that note, that's it. We have discussed the complete mock of SSC CGL Tier 1, which was conducted over the weekend, and what a mock it was. It was really a good mock. You can expect this to be the level of your examination. These are the kind of questions we are looking at, and the questions were not difficult. I would not say that the questions are difficult, but I would also not say they are not, they are not throwaway questions that, okay, right away you will get the answers. Some of them are. It's a good mix. So stay tuned with the Oliveboard platform and keep practicing these mocks, keep coming back for these discussion sessions so that we can make it more and more fruitful to you as much as possible from our side. We are going to pack a punch for you so that you are all ready and set for your examination. Hoping for the notification to release soon today. You guys take care and do leave some feedback after the session ends. Thank you so much for joining live. And specifically for CGL aspirants, we have launched Oliveboard is regularly churning out new programs for you. Currently, we are running the CGL Tier 1, Tier 2 combo crash course. Now, don't go on the name. Crash course does not mean we are simply rushing through the things. We are going very slow. We are taking it as per the pace, and the development is happening as per, in a good way of progress, in a good direction. And also, there is a good practice of 6,000 plus MCQs in all the subjects combined. MCQs not only of previous year questions, but also questions which are picked up, which are, very strategically picked up from various examinations so that you are ready for any change which comes your way. Thank you so much for joining live, guys. Bye-bye. Namaskar. Jai Hind. Rahul, just aim for a good rank. If top 100, top 150 also depends on what post you are looking for. This can be done. It's not difficult. But your aim has to be high. If you have people around you who are, let's say, working for SSC or preparing for SSC and they are putting in their best efforts, you have to push harder than them because you have a certain goal in mind. See, there are different types of people. There will be some students who are preparing for, let's say, just to get through, just to get a job. Maybe anywhere in any city in India, I am just wanting to become an inspector. But some people have a specific goal that I have to have it in this city. So they have to put in more efforts than the others. Just tirelessly go for it. It is not impossible. You will have down days. You will feel demotivated. You will procrastinate. But time and again, your goal should not, you should not lose your goal. That's what is going to help you there. Right? But very good, Rahul. You can take tips from him also. But Rahul, I would suggest one thing. UPSC and SSC are slightly different. These two games are slightly different. Your brother is going to go in depth into a lot of conceptual details. You just have to brush through from the outline for a lot of topics. I'm not saying everything else. And they are poles apart. A lot of people who prepare for UPSC think that SSC is easy. A lot of people who prepare for SSC think that UPSC, oh my God, is a very difficult thing. Don't compare the two. The ground of comparison is not equal. Okay, UPSC is a very prestigious examination. So do take help from your brother as far as a preparation strategy, or I would not say strategy. As far as the mindset of an aspirant is concerned, take help from your brother as much as you can. Take those inputs, right? Prepare together, ask each other questions, go for, cue card preparations, but have your focused way of preparing differently than what he is following, right? So keep these little things in mind and I'll keep connected with you. If you want, you guys can keep in touch with me on the Telegram channel as well. So I'll announce that in the future classes. So you can get in touch with me, and personally also, if you need any guidance, any support, any mentorship, I'll be more than happy to support you for whatever updates you need. Thank you so much. Now I'll end the session here. Bye-bye. Namaskar. Jai Hind. Sure, Rahul, you will. Most welcome.